In this video, I'll detail how to turn on Siri on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to use Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," or by pressing the little crown to wake your Siri, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I download this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is press the little crown once to exit the watch face. Then click on the settings G icon. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to Siri and then click on it. Now once you select Siri, locate listen for Siri and click on that. Then select Siri or Hey Siri, or select Hey Siri. The advantage of this is this: if you select Siri, you'll be able to wake Siri on your Apple Watch by saying Siri. And if you selected Hey Siri, you'll be able to wake Siri on your Apple Watch by saying Hey Siri. However, if you selected Hey Siri, you'll only be able to wake Siri on your Apple Watch by saying Hey Siri, and you'll not be able to wake Siri on your Apple Watch by saying Siri. So here, go ahead and turn on Siri or Hey Siri, and I hit the back button. Then that's it. Once that is done, you can just exit the Siri page on your Apple Watch, and then go ahead and say, "Hey Siri." Then you should see the Siri wake up. And once the Siri wakes up, then you should feel the Siri haptics. Alternatively, you can just press the little crown and hold it. Then you should see Siri wake. Then that is how you can easily turn on Siri on Apple Watch. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.